transformer tap. Okay, transformer tap and voltage regulation. Transformer tapping is nothing but whenever you have your secondary, okay, secondary is a full circuit, full closed circuit. If you are planning to get voltage from this point, that is called as tapping. This particular position is called as a tap, where you get output voltage not equivalent to your final secondary voltage. That means whenever you want to get voltage less than your secondary voltage, you will adjust one wiper sort of arrangement which is called as tap. Okay, it is mostly variable in nature. Once this tap is changed, when you change this tap, then power is applied to the transformer on the primary. Okay, so you will get output voltage between any of these two terminals, between tap and the any one of the terminal. Okay, this method is called as tapping. It is applied in lot of applications. In variable transformers it is applied. Okay, whenever you want to vary the voltage, this is applied, right? Since this method is applied in an auto transformer, it is also called as a variable transformer. Variable transformer. That means your primary of the transformer will be a fixed coil, secondary of the transformer is a variable. Okay, so such transformers are applied whenever you want a change in voltage only by a small amount, not by a very large amount. By a smaller amount, if you want to change, you will apply this auto transformer. We have seen this auto transformer in our experiment, short circuit and open circuit test we have seen, right? So the input voltage is continuously varied in order to test the efficiency or the performance of the transformer, right? So in such applications, the different transformers we cannot buy, different voltage rating transformers we cannot buy. We can buy only a auto transformer which is less expensive. Okay, which is less expensive when compared to purchasing different transformers, maybe some 10 different transformers you need. Okay, so such a special transformer where the input voltage is fixed but the output voltage you can vary, okay, is called as a auto transformer. It's a kind of special transformer. So the output voltage can be obtained by a technique called as tapping. Okay, by a technique called as tapping. You can slide this slider in order to get the different voltages. Okay, this is a very good solution for all the needs. So coming to the setup of an auto transformer, we have a regular transformer which will have VP, VS, NP, NS, IP and IS. Okay, but in case of an auto transformer, we have the load which is divided into two. Okay, one is VSC and other one is VC. Okay, VC and VSC, where VC will carry a current of IC, ISC will carry a current of ISC. Okay, and the number of turns is NSC, and the number of turns in case of the secondary terminal is called as NC. Okay, VH is the output voltage. VH is the output voltage. This technique is called as compound type of winding, where we have one common winding which is VC, which is NC. Okay, and one series winding called as NSC. Okay, looking into the voltage and current equations. Okay, in case of an auto transformer, we have VC by VSC is equal to NC by NSC. This is a very generic formula. Okay, NC IC is equal to NSC into ISC. Voltage in the coils are the terminal voltages, which is nothing but VL is equal to VC, that is load voltage is equal to VC, and VH is equal to VC plus VSC. Okay, currents are similarly termed as IL is equal to IC plus ISC, where IH is nothing but ISC. Okay, these are the voltage and current ratings or current formula for an auto transformer. Further, if you solve further, the voltage and current relations in auto transformer are given as VH is equal to VC plus VSC. Since VC by VSC is equal to NC by NSC, VH is equal to VC plus NSC by NC into VC. Okay, we already know that VL is equal to VC, VH is equal to VL plus NSC by NSC by NC into VL, which is nothing but NSC plus NC by NC into VL, where VL by VH is equal to NC by NSC by NC. This is the voltage, okay, voltage formula for an auto transformer. Similarly, current IL is equal to IC plus ISC, where IC is equal to NSC by NC into ISC. This is a very general formula that is used for transforming, calculating I2 and I1 we have done, no? Okay, which is N2 by N1. Similar formula, where IL is equal to NSC by NC into ISC plus ISC. Since ISC is equal to IH, we replace ISC with IH, where IL is equal to NSC by NC into IH plus IH, which is equal to NSC plus NC by NC into IH, where IL by IH is equal to NSC plus NC by NC. So this is the current equation for a auto transformer. So these are some equations pertaining to auto transformer. Physically, the auto transformer will have one rotating knob, okay, and the secondary coil will have a continuous tapping. Primary coil is wound on the internal part, peripheral part you have your tapping.